election na. Pero napakabihira ka makakita ng mga posters or mga tarpaulin ng mga pictures ng mga candidates.
Kasi ang luwag ng kalsada. Bihira yung
Yung mga posters yan nandun lang sa ano eh, sa may stoplight.
check signs and markings. That's very important. Always look at the signs and the markings. Kung saan may indication ng parking is prohibited. Like broken yellow lines or specific or restriction. Kasi there are parking that you are not allowed to park on or usually
Grabe to.
uh,
Bumitahan na
office
siya.
hour, you can only park at night.
Entry.
And syempre, number one thing is you must be considerate
Ayaw ko sana dito doon.
and do not park
Stoplight dito eh.
na nakaka-obstruct
Ang hirap din ito.
the road user of pedestrians. That's very important.
Hirap yan. Ito lang. Yun lang yung nakikita kong may post. Para sa mga election candidate, electoral candidates.
Dito nga pala sa New Zealand ay election na kapag ikaw ay, pwede ka na mag-registered kapag ikaw ay resident or permanent na. Tapos, kapag citizen. And kapag resident or permanent ka, kailangan meron kang driving license. At syempre, kapag citizen naman, black passport. Pwede ka na mag-registered online para bumoto. Ngayon, dahil nakapag-registered na po ako, dahil ako ay may driving license na, nakapag-registered na ako online para sa boboto ng lokal. So, tingnan natin kasi botohan ng mayor ngayon. Check ko yung mailbox ko kung may mga letter na ako. Ang dami sulat. Kay Mister. Para sa kanyang pagboto naman. Vote now, Auckland, local election. Ako rin, ito na meron na. Electoral Commission and Insurance. Andito na. Ayan. Ang dami kong mail. What's this? Dami namang junk mail. Lagyan nga natin to ng junk mail. No junk mail. Para hindi lalagyan ng ibang mga hindi importanteng. At dahil malamig na at medyo umaambon na, kailangan na pumasok ng bahay, mga mi. At dahil may edad na tayo, bawal na tayo magkasipon. Diyos ko. At dahil bawal magkasipon, ang medyo tumatanda na mga mami, ingatan ang ating mga sarili para sa araw-araw na gawain. At papasok na nga po tayo ng bahay dahil malamig sa labas. At kailangan ko na rin buksan yung mga natanggap kong mail. Ayan, pasok na mga mami, umaambon na. At sabi nga palang dumating dito yung aking insurance, car insurance at saka yung aking at road insurance para habang nasa kalsada tayo, just make sure na tayo ay safe at meron tayong backup lagi whatever happen. Because accident, it will happen anytime. Just make sure na you are ready and you are prepared. At kahit anong ingat natin mga mi, hindi natin masasabi yung ating mga behind and front na mga drivers. Kaya bilang wise mom, make sure that you are prepared for everything. At next nga po natin ay kailangan paghandaan or basahin maigi yung sa election na ito dahil napaka-importante na ang iyong boto ay alam mo kung sino yung mga karapat-dapat iboto. Yan. Ayan, binuksan ko na nga po pala yung nakalaman sa aking envelope. Ayan, nakalagay, what the best for your Auckland. So, find out about your candidates to vote in local elections. Yan. Of course, you have to first check mo yung table of contents. Need to know more about your candidates. And nakalagay dito, Auckland Council, voting instructions, candidates statement in accessible formats, who you vote for will make important decisions for you and your community. And then, meron din ditong QR code to go to Vote Auckland, candidates to learn about your candidates, policies, and how to meet them. And it says that your voting document must be received by 12 midday on Saturday of 11th of October 2025. And then drop off your vote at the nearest library, participating supermarkets, or for other Auckland locations. You have to visit on their website. And to the next page, you have to vote, pack, drop off. There are easy steps to complete your personal voting. First is you have to vote. Second, you have to pack. Ipapak mo sa yellow envelope. Yung envelope na ito, make sure na dyan mo ilalagay and yung nakakita sa clear yung kung saan mo i-drop off. And then, drop off. You have to seal the envelope and drop off to a vote box location before midday of October. And then, or kung ipopost mo naman, dapat Tuesday of October pa lang. And then, yung nga palang mga flyers dyan, or the booklet included in the envelope, is the information for voters, what position am I voting for, the mayor, ward councilors, local boards, and of course who is standing for election, and voting guidelines. Dahil nga po, tas kung magkamali ka dito ng ibobote mo, pwede kang i-call just to make sure na tama yung ang iboboto mo. Ang mga candidates po dito ay hindi sila nag-house to house visit for campaign. You'll just receive the mail ng nakalagay dito, may booklet ng mga information ng mga candidates. So you have to read their profiles, their informations, what are their missions in the city or in the community. And before nga po pala akong mag-vote, I have to read of each information for each candidate, kung ano ba talaga, para makapag-decide sa who are the best for mayor. There are only 3 types of elected members to vote for. Number 1 is the mayor, ward councilors, local boards, depending on the size of the area, kung how many member that they need to vote. Kaya ang local election dito is like na ordinary day, na tahimik talaga yung lugar and walang mga dumi-dumi para sa mga candidates na mga flyers or mga tarpaulin para mga nakapost kung saan saang mga gate or mga wall sa mga bahay-bahay. I have to read their information well para makapag-decide ako who to vote. At yun lang mga may, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Please like, share my YT Mamisal in New Zealand. God bless you all.